In this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn a high income skill that is currently on high demand. And the most important thing, and actually impressed me the most, is you can learn it for free. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can learn an income skill in which you can earn pretty good money, to be honest. But most importantly, guys, is that now, right now, at the time recording this video, you can learn it for free, which is incredible. Okay. So let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that I'm going to be sharing with you all the details, everything step by step, what this income skill it's is about, how you can start learning this if you're really serious about it. Okay. So there are definitely several ways in which you can earn money online. Okay. That's a fact. Okay. If you're not earning money online, it's because you really don't want to. Okay. Or you don't know how to get started. That's one thing or the other. Okay. The income skill that I'm talking about is this one. It's being a funnel builder. Okay. And don't get confused. By being a funnel builder, it's not building a website. Okay. It's not building like an e-com store. It's not building something super complicated. Okay. Funnels, they're in different shapes, but most of the time, these are the most popular funnels. It's like this. Okay. You have what we call a capture page. You have what we call a thank you page. Okay. We're asking for the name and email address, and here we're delivering something for free. Okay. There are other funnels in which we have literally a capture page. Okay. And we have a sales page. So that means that people are going to make a purchase here of the product or service. Okay. We can also have a capture page. We can also have a webinar. Okay. So that means that people are going to attend a webinar or they're going to watch a replay of the webinar. Okay. These are really simple, but they're in high demand. Okay. And the most important is that you can really earn good money. And this is something that you guys can do anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you are from. Okay. For example, here we have this guy. He is Jack. His starting price is $300. Here we have Kevin. His starting price is 130. Okay. $100 here, 250, 150. Okay. That's the starting price. Okay. So definitely this is a cool thing that you guys can start doing. Okay. How you are going to start to learn this for free. Okay. And how you are going to be offering this. I'm going to show you more about this in a moment. Okay. First of all, we're going to be using this tool that is called System.io. Don't get a rush. Let me show you how you can get something that's called the System.io certificate, because I'm going to be leaving the link below so you can land on this page. Okay. And you can get System.io certificate. You can be a System.io certified. Okay. You're going to be an expert. Okay. And this is a free video certification course. Okay. You're going to land on this page by using the link below. Okay. This is a certificate you get. Okay. You're going to master every single System.io feature and set up any online business with ease. Okay. You can monetize your expertise. This is what I was telling you. Okay. Offer funnels and website building service to your clients. Learn new ways to use System.io. Skip the overwhelm and start using System.io intuitive tools to work faster. Okay. No pressures. You can do this at your own pace. Okay. So nowadays, and this is the thing, guys. You can start as a freelancer, but you can be an agency in the future. Okay. So there are 28 videos. Literally, the only thing that you're going to put is your email address here. That's it. That's the only thing that you are going to be uploading or typing. Actually, it's here. After that, Okay. Remember that you're going to be landing on this page. After that, you're going to see this page, which is registration complete. You're going to click here so you can go to the student dashboard. Okay. This is a student dashboard. This is where you actually get the certification. Okay. I already learned how to use System.io. I pay for a course. I was not aware that this is available. Okay. And here are the things that you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to do funnels. You're going to learn how to do blogs. You're going to learn how to do automations, how to do e-commerce stores. Okay. How to do email marketing, which is another service that you can provide. Okay. If they already have the funnels, okay, remember that they're always capturing their name email. You're going to let them know like, hey, I can be your email marketing person. And that's something that you can offer on a recurring basis. Okay. So you're going to have everything and you're going to get your certificate with System.io. Okay. So literally, I'm going to be leaving the link below so you can join this for free. You can be a certified System.io expert where you can offer this service. Okay. There are several ways in which you can monetize this. I'm going to show you some. Okay. And by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you find this content valuable, share it with someone you think he or she might be interested. Also, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Okay. For example, here we have Workana. You can actually be a freelancer here. You can go to freelancer.com. You can offer your service on upwork.com. There are a lot of these type of websites. An alternative, here on Fiverr, we have, for example, this person. The basic plan is $80. It might not sound like a lot, but if we go to standard, you're going to see that the standard price is $150. The premium price is $300. We have this other expert, okay? She's actually offering a 550 plan. Her basic plan is 110. The standard price is 350. Okay. So literally you can earn really good money because if she only have 2 or 3 customers, let's say that she got with 3 customers per day, not per day, sorry, per month. Okay. This is over $1,500. Okay. Literally she can do this from her home. Okay. And, you know, people really, really need this. Okay. Another way in which you can actually promote this, it's also if you go to Google Map. Okay. Here in Google Map, for example, I have here, well, I misspell it. It's supposed to be 10 dentists in Texas. Okay. So chances are that some of them do not have a funnel. Okay. They don't have a funnel. Some of them, they don't even have a website. And you can be, telling them that this is a service that you're offering. Okay. This is actually a service that you're offering. Another thing, guys, that you need to understand is that System.io has something that we call an affiliate program. So if they don't have a System.io account, okay, this is like any other service. They need hosting. Okay. They need hosting. You can have the free account. Okay. You can connect your domain. You can connect your professional email address. But once they're building, while their business is actually growing, okay, they can be paying up to $97 per month. And $97 per month, the commission is 60%. So it's almost $60 that they're going to be earning per month. And this is something that is going to be growing because you're going to have more customers. Okay. The more your business is growing, and trust me, in the past, I was paying just for one tool more than $97 because it's part of my business. So the commission is $58. Okay. Let's say that you got 5 customers per month. Okay. Because they're upgrading, they're doing all the thing. Okay. Yeah. Maybe, less than $300 per month. It doesn't sound like a lot. But if you do this on a yearly basis, you're going to be earning $3,492 every single month. Okay. Every single month. So it's going to be recurring commissions. Okay. They pay for the service once. Now they use your link, and even you can tell them like, hey, this is actually my price. But if you want some, as a discounted price, I have this offer. Just open a System.io plan with my link. Okay. So you can do that. So I hope you find this content helpful. Remember, I'm going to be leaving the link below so you can get your certification with System.io and you can start with it. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.